we are 12 of us, but the post accommodated to us is only two. So really, is I wish we all 12 got the post, all become ministers, but that is next to impossible. It will never happen only. But to accommodate each and everyone is not possible. But whatever post we are blessed to have it, and for this we'll do justice to the people by serving the best we can. Whoever in our party, we believe that the party choose accordingly and not just blindly. And then if I continue, I feel I am blessed to have it, and then I'll serve my party the best I can. And if not, also I accept whatever the party proposes.
So it is clear that there is no such proposal or
I
arrangement
have not heard it till
in the
date. We have
party.
not heard about it, so we
So,
believe hope is not there. If it is there, also we don't mind because we all 12 we are like brothers. So we work like brothers, and if one brother get the benefits, if one brothers do better, we all are happy. For us, from the beginning, we have not decided that after 2.5 years, or after 3 years, or 4 years, or it will continue for 5 years. There's no discussion on this. It's just that we were accommodated as a minister, both of us, but we have not discussed because the party can take a call anytime. Since we have no agreement, so the party can take even after 1 year or so, still the party can take it away from us after 2.5 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. That depends on the party. We have no agreement, such kind of agreement. So that's why the party can take a call anytime. We need not wait for that 2.5 years or so, or we need not take any call after 2.5 years or so. The party has the rights to take a call anytime when feel needed.